Most epoxy flooring business owners think any CRM will do the job. That's where they lose time, leads and money, without even realizing it. Because in 2026, the companies growing fastest are not just using CRMs to store contacts. They are using them to run their entire operation. Here's the truth no one tells you. Epoxy flooring is a fast-moving, high-ticket service. Customers compare multiple quotes, expect quick responses, and often choose the first professional who looks organized and responsive. In this video, you'll learn exactly what makes the best CRM for epoxy flooring businesses, which features actually matter, and how to use it to book more jobs without working longer hours. Let's start with the real problem. Most epoxy contractors are still managing leads through phone calls, texts, and spreadsheets. A lead comes in from Google or Facebook. Someone plans to reply later, and later becomes too late. The customer already booked someone else. Now, here's where it gets interesting. A strong CRM fixes this by turning every lead into instant action. First, you need instant lead capture. When someone like John requests an epoxy garage floor quote, the CRM should immediately log the lead, assign it, and trigger a response. No delays. No manual entry. Just instant follow-up. Second, quoting speed is everything in this industry. Your CRM should let you create and send estimates on the spot. Imagine Alex doing a site visit, measuring the space, selecting materials, and sending a professional quote before leaving the driveway. That speed alone can significantly increase your close rate. But here's the problem most owners overlook. Winning the job is only the beginning. The real challenge is keeping jobs organized and profitable during execution. Your CRM should handle scheduling, job stages, and crew assignments automatically. Instead of calling your installers every morning, they should open an app and see exactly where to go, what materials to use, and what stage the job is in. Now let's talk about the silent revenue killer. Missed follow-ups. Many epoxy flooring businesses lose thousands every month, simply because they never follow up after sending a quote. A proper CRM solves this with automated reminders, text messages, and email sequences that continue until the customer responds. That means even if they don't book today, they stay in your pipeline tomorrow and next week. In a minute, I'll break down the features that separate average CRMs from the ones that actually help epoxy flooring companies scale. First, mobile functionality. Your team is always on job sites, so everything must work perfectly on a phone. Second, automation. Lead responses, quotes, follow-ups, and scheduling should all run without manual effort. Third, integration. Your CRM should connect with maps, invoicing tools, and messaging platforms, so your entire workflow stays connected. Finally, reporting. You need clear data on lead sources, conversion rates, and job profitability, so you can scale what actually works. So here is the bottom line. The best CRM for epoxy flooring businesses in 2026 is not about storing contacts. It is about speed, automation, and full control over your sales and production process. When set up correctly, it helps you respond faster, close more high-ticket jobs, and stop losing customers to less skilled but more organized competitors. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment with your current CRM setup, and subscribe for more business growth strategies like this.